What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy, the one and only. Welcome to the Freetrepreneur channel. It's 1 a.m. right now in the morning and I'm still up and making videos for you. Today's video is about something special. We're going to cover, if you are a blogger, a website owner, a publisher, this is for you. Today is about what plugins you need to install on your website if you have a blog, a website, or an e-commerce site. What plugins you need to install on your website. Why is it important? It's because if you install the wrong plugins on your website, not only your website is going to be slow, but also you're not going to optimize the revenue of your site. I'm doing this video because one of my great subscriber called Less Excuse asked on one of my videos that I covered about proper keyword research tool to rank #1 in Google. He asked whether I could give him an advice on some of the plugins that he could use, and I said, okay, I'm going to do a video to show you exactly the list of plugins you need if you're starting with any website, whether it's for your blog, e-commerce, or whatever. The reason you need a website that does things like this: you need a website that can capture email. Why? Because you need repeated visitors. If someone visits your email or your website and you capture the email of the person with a form like this, right? Then it's easier for you to actually promote your future content. Let's say you publish a new blog post, or you have a new product that you just imported on your site. Then you can easily email the person and let the person know, hey, there's something new on my website, just check it out. The right plugin allows you as well to capture people devices, right? So for example, you've always seen this, for example, on website that you visit, they say, would you like to receive notification? If you click allow, what it does is that it registers the person device in a system that next time you will publish a new blog post, it will just push your new blog post into the person's device and they will receive a notification there on their phone or on their desktop. So again, I'm going to cover everything step by step, all the plugins you need. The reason why you should listen to me is because I have 8 websites, about 8 websites, and I've learned how to make them super fast, and I've learned how to optimize them with the right plugin. Now, without wasting your time, let's start. Most of the plugins that you will need to install, I'm pretty sure some of the plugins here you will not have, and some of them you probably have. So just stick with me until the end of the video. Now, the first plugin, Analytify. So if you go under plugins, add new, and you click here, you type Analytify and you install and you activate. What Analytify does, if I open Analytify right now, what it does is that it provides you, if you connect that with your Google Analytics, it will synthesize all your Google Analytics information and provide you those information in a very beautiful manner. Look for example at this. It tells you the number of sessions, so you don't have to go into Google Analytics to get these details. It tells you the number of visitors, whether you have an increase or a decrease. It gives you the number of page views, the number of pages per session, people that are returning, the percentage that are new versus returning, what devices they're visiting your website from. And also what I like about this is that it tells you what blog posts are performing the best, or what pages, so like you know exactly what to promote in the future. Okay, and it tells you as well from what regions people are mostly visiting your website, right? So you know exactly who to target in your future post. Where is your traffic coming from social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, but also organic. You see, there is an increase in my organic traffic because like last month it was about 300, now it's 787. So it gives you, and even like push notification, I'm able to drive traffic from push notification, from Bing, from Yahoo. So it synthesizes what you need to know to improve the quality of your website and really understand what blog posts you need to emphasize on. Now, so make sure you install and activate Analytify. Now, the second plugin you need it's a YouTube plugin that I will probably show on this screen. That what this plugin does, it allows you, for example, it allows you to embed YouTube videos and YouTube channels on your website. So for example, my website, the mmsexperience.com, and you check out the video section, you click for example on any of these videos, it allows me to embed YouTube channels, for example, on this website. So the benefit of having something like that in the menu of your website is that it keeps the visitor longer on your website, because people will most likely come watch this video and then watch the next video and then watch the next video. But you have to make sure you embed videos that will be relevant to what your website is about. But now the third one, it's a combination of two. It's called Rainmaker and Icegram. What these do is that they allow you to create email opt-in form, optimal email opt-in form. So for example, if you come here on the gallery, right, you click on Icegram, you activate Icegram, and you click here on gallery. So what it does is that it has a series of free things that you can implement on your website that can help promoting, for example, coupon codes or capturing emails from people. So if you come here on the free, right, you have a list of free tools that you can use, like Halo bars, like where you can tell people subscribe now, where you can capture people email with form like this, where you can tell people about a promo codes that you've just created. You can also have exit intent. So basically exit intent are like pop up when people are trying to leave your website already, then it detects the mouse and then shows that pop-up to keep the visitors on your site. And then Rainmaker is the service that allows you to capture lead from these Icegram pop-up forms, right? So if I click on Rainmaker and I click on lead, you can see that I have already captured so many leads from like things that I've put on my website, and I'm able to like send them emails again and again and again, and they come back to my website. So make sure you install Icegram and Rainmaker and you configure them properly. And then if you want to know how to configure them, then leave a comment down below, smash the like button and subscribe to these videos, because we're covering everything from entrepreneurship, e-commerce, blogging, SEO, everything that can help you improve your business. Other plugin that I want to talk to you about is called Advanced Ad. Advanced Ad is extremely powerful. If you're running a blog, one of the most passive way to make money is through display ads. Like if you look for example at this page, see, this is a display ad, this is a display ad, this is another media.net ad, these are affiliate marketing. So the beauty about Advanced Ad is that it allows you to really customize the way you want ads to look on your website. Okay, if you install Advanced Ad, the plugin called Advanced Ad, you will have multiple options on the menu. So add here will allow you to create ad and just copy the script and import the script to display the ad that you will get from Google AdSense, for example, or media.net. This is the list of ad, for example, that are already created. You just create a new ad, you insert the script, and then you choose where you want the ad to appear. The next plugin that I want to show you is Rank Math. Rank Math, oh my god, this you need Rank Math. Again, I'm showing you things that are really crucial to make your website succeed. Okay, I have done SEO for a long time, and now I know what I'm talking about because I discovered Rank Math recently. I was using Yoast SEO, but now I'm using Rank Math. And what Rank Math does is that Rank Math allows you to truly improve your SEO to the highest level. And I already created another video on how to have like 100% SEO score. Again, let's say you're writing a blog post. SEO is really important because Google will look at how you've organized your blog post and basically rank your post higher or lower. And so what Rank Math does is that it allows you to truly personalize your blog post in such a way that you can achieve a high percentage of SEO. For example, above 90, close to 100 SEO score, in such a way that it will give you this level of traffic. Right. So, for example, what Rank Math does as well is that it gets all the information from your search console and it synthesizes that for you. So if I click, for example, on Rank Math SEO and search console, is that it tells me already the number of clicks that I have, the number of impression that I'm having, the total keyword for which I'm ranking. And even if I click on like search analytics, it will even detail the keyword for which I am ranking, and so I can even optimize those keywords more. It's really powerful. Make sure you install Rank Math. And another feature that Rank Math has is the instant indexing. Is that it allows you to ask Google to instantly index your post when you publish them, so you don't have to wait like 3 or 6 months for Google to come and crawl your website and start ranking your posts. So make sure you install that, and you check out the other videos on my channel where I already talk about how to rank number 1 on Google, like using Rank Math. Okay, the other plugins you need to have is called Progress Reading Bar. So if I go back to the blog post that I just showed you, you see this Progress Reading Bar. As I am scrolling, it's moving. What it does is that it allows the reader to stay longer on your website, because the reader knows exactly the pace at which it's moving, and whether it's at the middle, at the beginning, or at the end of the post. And it's even more beautiful on the phone when you're reading and this bar is moving on the phone, telling you at which level you are. So make sure you install this reading bar plugin. The other plugin that I want to show you is called Sticky Menu. What Sticky Menu does is that if somebody is scrolling down your website and your menu disappear, it's not optimal. If your menu is not up here and sticky and the person is scrolling down, then they might just close, because they might think that they've seen everything they needed from your website. But then if the menu is sticky enough and they get here and they feel like they want to leave, they might want to check other menus on top of this sticky menu. So it's really a great way to get people to visit everything you have to offer them. The other plugin you want to make sure you have, it's called Updraft Plus Backup. See, if you come here and you click here on Updraft Plus Backup, and you click here, for example, on Backup or Restore, what it allows you to do is that it allows you to save backups of your website. Again, this is very important. Make sure you're always saving backups of your website, because you never know, you might install a plugin and something goes wrong. And what this Updraft Plus allows you to do, save backups of your website in such a way that if something goes wrong, you can just come here and restore at the point where you created the backup, and this will just restore back everything on your website as it was. So it really makes your website safe. The other plugin you want to make sure you have is called XML Sitemap. What XML Sitemap allows you to do is that it allows you to create a sitemap of your website and notify search engines that this is how my website is organized, right? A sitemap is like, it creates a beautiful tree of everything your website is made of, right? Like whether you click here or here, for example, if I click here, you will see that it will notify all the important search engines like Google, Bing, from Yahoo, that okay, this is how my website is organized. This is the main URL, and then you have those sub URL. Another plugin that I want to show you is called Social Share Button. Have you ever read like blog post and you have this social share button here? Like what it does is that it allows you to improve the ranking of your website and also the visibility of your website by allowing people to share your blog post or pages that they think are helpful. So if someone read this post, for example, and they think it's really helpful and they want to share that, for example, on social media, if you don't have a list of sticky share button for social platform here, it's not going to be optimal for them. You see, if I scroll down this article, for example, and I want to share on Facebook, I just click here, share on Facebook. You see, very easy. I can just share on Facebook, really easy. I can share on Twitter, share on LinkedIn, share on Pinterest. Now, this allows even backlinks to your website, right? By sharing on all those social platforms. The other plugin that I want to show you. It's called Magic Post Thumbnail. If you're publishing a blog post and you haven't created a thumbnail, Magic Post Thumbnail plugins allows you to automatically create thumbnails for you depending on the content that you've created, right? So for example, if you've created a blog post about debt or drop shipping or United Airlines, once you hit on publish on the post, Magic Thumbnail will automatically find a thumbnail across the web that's relevant for that blog post, and it will create a beautiful thumbnail like this for you in a magical way. Okay, so make sure you install that Magic Thumbnail plugin, Magic Post Thumbnail plugin. Another really important plugin you need to have, it's called WP Optimize. What WP Optimize allows you to do is it has three main functions. WP Optimize has a database function, has an image function, has a cache function. So if I click, for example, on image, what it does is that it allows you to optimize the quality of the images on all your website, right? So if you remember, when you import, you want your website to be fast, and if you keep importing heavy images, right, and they are not compressed automatically while they're added to your blog post, this will use a lot of data from your reader and it will load slower. So WP Optimize allows you to make your website super fast. What it does is that it compresses your images for free as you're adding them in your blog post or in your website as a whole. And also it allows you to create what we call a cache by enabling page caching. What it does is that it will take your whole website, prepare them already on the server, so that when someone clicks on a page, it loads a lot faster than, when someone clicks on a page, it loads a lot faster than if it wasn't cached. So you will always want to make sure your website is cached, and a website that's cached will always load a lot faster than a website that is not cached. It has a preload function. The preload function is that it will cache your site by visiting page and preload them so that they're ready the first time a human visitor wants them available, right? So make sure you check that out and you install, you activate, you enable page caching. So the last plugin that I want to talk to you about, it's called WordPress Popular Post. What WordPress Popular Post allows you to do is that it allows you to create widgets like this on the side of every blog post that will appear here on the side of every blog post, which will display your most popular posts that people are visiting on your website. And so if someone is reading these, for example, these posts, for example, they are most likely to come back and click here. If they see these are the most popular posts on your website, then they are most likely to come and click on this post or this post or this post or this post. I don't want to make this video too long. This was about it for today. Again, I want to provide you value. These plugins are really crucial for any website owner or blogger. If you want to have a successful blog or successful website, it will provide you as well tools to make your website super fast so you satisfy your reader or your customer. Again, this is about providing value to you. If you think this makes a difference to you, make sure you smash the like button, you subscribe, and until next time, take good care of yourself. Bye.